Don't make these TFSA mistakes. If you're new to Canada and using a TFSA, one wrong move could cost you more than you think. First, over-contributing. If you deposit more than your available contribution room, the tax-free savings account becomes a trap. You'll be charged a 1% penalty tax per month on the excess amount until the mistake is fixed. Second, using your TFSA like a day-to-day spending account instead of building long-term growth. Withdrawals may be tax-free, yes, but if you treat the TFSA as a casual wallet instead of a growth tool, you miss the powerful compounding effect and long-term benefits. Third, not keeping track of your contribution room. Your available room is based on annual limits, unused room from past years, and prior year withdrawals, and the numbers don't always update instantly online. So if you're unaware of your real room and just deposit what you think you can, you might accidentally over-contribute. Here's how to avoid these mistakes. Always check your latest contribution room before you deposit. Keep your TFSA focused on growth pick investments. You'll let ride and never assume you can recontribute a withdrawal in the same year unless you have the room. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button and join us for more fresh finance tips for newcomers. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and doesn't count as financial or tax advice. Your individual situation is unique. Always consult a qualified advisor before acting.